If someone becomes conscious of his or her unconscious competence, then he becomes master. And the only way one actually can say that I'm a master, if he can make his clone. If he is able to produce someone similar to him, only then we can call him a master. Before that, people are expert. Why you are sitting here in that hot day? Why you are you have left your practices, your family life, your personal life, and just for 4 days you are here? Because you want to become conscious of your unconscious competence. When you did your FCPS or whatever degree, PhD or whatever exit degree you have, that made you conscious, that made you expert. But now your journey is from expert to master. You may be a very good dentist. You may be an excellent person doing prosthodontics. You may be an excellent person doing all mastectomies. And you may be an excellent person, working on patients with multiple sclerosis. But what you are here for is that you can actually transfer all your knowledge, skill and attitude and values to some other one, and he becomes at least equal to you, if not better than you. And that is only possible if you are conscious of your unconscious competence. इसके लिए जहां आपको पूरा माइंडसेट एंड होल सेट ऑफ स्किल्स चाहिए और एटीट्यूड चाहिए और सारी एक मेहनत चाहिए, कोशिश चाहिए, इसके साथ साथ आपको एक स्पिरिचुअल अपग्रोथ भी चाहिए मेरे ख्याल के अंदर. स्पिरिचुअल अपग्रोथ नॉट इन अ कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ रिलीजन अलोन आई एम टॉकिंग. स्पिरिचुअलिटी इन अ सेंस of defining your purpose of life. Whatever we do, whatever life an animal is having, in my opinion, that does not have got any spiritual level related to purpose of his or her life. But humans, while being weaker than a buffalo and slower than a tiger, and incapable as compared to a crow as far as flying is concerned, and incapable of swimming as compared to a shark, but still has got a very, very definitive edge. And that edge is that humans have got a purpose of life. Although it is not written in literature, in Dreyfus model or also in Michael Novell's model, but in my humble opinion, journey from the expert to a master requires not only a quantum leap in your skill sets, in your attitude, in your value system, but it also requires a jump at your spirituality level as well, which means related to your purpose of life. If we have defined our purpose of life in such a way that it does not include the beneficiaries other than us in the society, if the beneficiaries of our knowledge, skill and attitude are just we and our spouse and our family, then I'm sorry, this masterhood is not for us, and we cannot be master. In order to be a master, we have to change our mindset as far as the purpose of life is concerned. और ये जो आपकी एज है, दिस इज द बेस्ट एज. मेरे तो ख्याल में स्कूल एज से शुरू करना चाहिए कि हमें शुरू में बच्चों को बताना चाहिए कि बेटा, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू थिंक अबाउट योर पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ. व्हाई अल्लाह हैज गिवन यू वन मोर डे. इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट लास्ट नाइट, एवरी नाइट all over the world, average this much people die. I am not one of them. You are not one of them. You could be one of them and I could be one of them. After all, why another day is given to me? Why? There must be some greater purpose. right? In my opinion, without understanding that purpose, in our profession especially, it is not possible to have that leap from converting from expert to a master.